Hello, morning, Mr. Popov Alexey. Yeah, this is our office. Okay, so we go to the second floor. This is our lane, how the machinery. Yes. And here, we come here. Yeah. This is our research and development. This is business department and the inside. So you can see, okay, this is to my factory. There are some sliter machine here, you can check. This one is a sliter machine. This is some sliter machine. This is some sliter machine in assembly, and the fireway is for NC. Okay, thank you for everything.